Hello students. Today I'll be dealing with one more problems under median. In the last recorded slide I have explained you what is median and what are the formulas to calculate median. Today I'll be calculating and discussing with you the remaining problems under a median. Let us go through the problem. Find the median of the following frequency distribution of monthly turnover of 326 business firms. Monthly turnover 1000 rupees, less than 50, 50 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 and more. Number of firms 73, 147, 42 and 64. These are the information given in the problem. You have to calculate here median. So let us go to the calculation of median. So you have to draw here three columns. As you know, in the calculation of median we have to draw three columns. That is, first column is of monthly turnover, that is class interval less than 50, like that. Then frequency less than cumulative frequency. Okay, now less than 50. So whatever given in the problem, less than 50 means we can write the same amount, because next it is given 50 to 80, then 80 to 100 and 100 and more. So write as it is. 50 is less than 50, 50 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 and more. Frequency as it is given in the second column, number of firms 73, 147, 42 and 64. Same you will write here, 73, 147, 42 and 64. Next, less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency is, first number you have to write as it is. Next you have to go on adding the numbers. 73 write as it is, 73. Next 73 plus 147, 220. 220 plus 42, 262. 262 plus 64, 326. Okay, so cumulative means first number as it is, whatever given in the frequency, same you will write in the cumulative frequency. But next number onwards you will go on adding the next numbers, like 73 to 147 plus 220, you will get 220 plus 42, 262. 262 plus 64, 326. Okay, now first step is you have to calculate n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but the total of frequency divided by 2. Total of frequency is 73 plus 147 plus 42 plus 64. If you total all these numbers, you will get 326. So 326 divided by 2, you will get 163. Okay. After getting 163, you have to search here in the less than cumulative frequency whether you have 163. If you have 163 in the problem, then you will continue with that. But here if you check, you don't have exact 163. So the next highest number you have to see. The next highest number is a 220. Okay, when it is 220 is a next highest number, straight to that you have to check the class interval. What is a class interval? 50 to 80, that you will write there median class. Frequency is 147. Then to the straight of median class, whatever the value is there in the f, that is considered as f. Then whatever the median class, to that the previous number, that is the less than cumulative, that is considered as m. So we need for the formula m, f and median class. Okay, once you get the median class, which is 220, you will get this row is called as median class, because you get the answer 163. When 163 number is not there in the less than cumulative frequency, the next highest number is 220. So 220's class is 50 to 80, that is called as median class. Then 147 is f, then m is a previous number, that is 73. Okay, now we will write the formula. Median is equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus m into c divided by f. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate median. Next, median is equal to median is equal to, L refers to lower limit. Now in the median class there are two numbers 50 to 80. Now which is the lowest number? The lowest number is 50. So you will write here 50 plus n by 2. What is n by 2? 163. So write here 163 minus m. M refers to 73. M is 73 into C. C refers to the difference between these two numbers, that is 30, divided by F. F is nothing but the frequency, that is 147. Next, M is equal to 50 plus 163 minus 73, that is 90, into 30 divided by 147. So M is equal to 50 plus multiply this 90 into 30 divided by 147. You will get 18.37. Okay, I'll repeat, you will get 18.37. Now add this 50 plus 18.37, you will get 68.37 thousand rupees. So that is answer. Median is 68.37 thousand rupees. 1000 rupees. Why? Because the frequency or the class interval is 1000 rupees. So the answer will also be in 1000 rupees. Okay. This is about the problem of median. How to calculate the median. Next, we will go to the next problem, that is missing value. Missing value. Median is given in the problem, but the one frequency is missing, that is the dash. See here, it is dash. We have to calculate here a median frequency. So let us see the question here. In the following frequency distribution of pulse rate of patient, one of the class frequencies is missing. If the median is 78, find the missing frequency. Okay, so you have to find the missing frequency here. In the following distribution of pulse rate, one of the class is missing, so one of the frequency is missing here. You have to calculate here a median. Okay, so the information given is pulse rate 64 to 68, 68 to 72, 72 to 76, 76 to 80, then 80 to 84, 84 to 88. Number of patient 3, 12, dash, 40, 32, 11. Okay, now we will calculate the missing value. First we will write, we have to write the, let the missing frequency be F. We don't know the value, so we can take it as a F. Now three columns we have to draw: class interval, frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Here the numbers are, if you check the number, 64 to 68, 68 to 72, then 72 to 76, then 76 to 80, 80 to 84, then 84 to 88. So same thing you will write here. All the numbers you will write here. After that, frequency. What is frequency? 3, 12, dash, 40, 32, 11. So here you have to write as the numbers 3, 12, F, 40, 32, 11. Next, less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency, you know, you have to write the first number as it is, 3. Next, go on adding the number. So 3 plus 12, 15. 15 plus F. So as it is, 15 plus F. 15 plus F plus 40. So you can add 40 plus 15, 55 plus F. F will continue. Okay, 55 plus F plus 32. So 32 plus 55, you will get 87 plus F. F number we don't know the value, so we have to write plus F. Plus F. Then 87 plus F plus 11, 98 plus F. Okay. Now the first step is n by 2. N by 2 means total of n, that is 98 plus F divided by 2. So 49 plus, if you divide, 98 divided by 2, you will get 49. F will be divided by 2 because 2 will be divided by both 98 and F. But F cannot, there is no number for F. So F by 2 I have written as it is. Then 98 divided by 2 you will do, if you will get 49. Okay. Now next, median is equal to, the formula is L plus n by 2 minus m into C divided by F. Next, median that they have given in the problem, the median is 78. The median is 78. Okay, so go to the problem here. M78 is equal to 70 lower limit. What is the lower limit here? It is the now 49 plus f by 2 you will get now here. After that you have to check the class here, whether you have 49 plus f divided by 2. You have 40, search for the 49 number here, whether you have 49. No. Next highest number is 55. So 55 plus f to the straight of that number is considered as median class, that is 76 to 80, that you can write here median class, then the straight to that f, then the previous number of that class 15 plus f is m. Okay, so once you get these value, you can substitute to the formula. Now m in the problem it is given that if the median is 78, so m is 78 is equal to lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 76 and 80. What is the lower one? 76 plus n by 2. N by 2 is total of f, 98 plus f divided by 2. 98 plus f divided by 2 minus m. M refers to this number 15 plus f, 15 plus f, 15 plus f. Okay, then difference between these two number is called as 4. The difference between these two number is 4. Okay, now divided by f, f is 40. So I have substituted all the values here. M is in the question it is given 58, 78 in the question it is 78. So written here 78 is equal to m lower limit is 76 here. So 76 I have written plus n by 2. Already you have calculated, written here 98 plus f divided by 2. So 98 plus f divided by 2 minus m. M you have to see here 15 plus f, 15 plus f into c. C is the difference between these two number, that is 4 divided by f. Divided by f is 40. Now what you can do is 78 you write here. See, 76 is this, between this there are is equal to sign. So when you bring 76 to this side, it becomes minus. Okay, so 78, if you bring this side, it becomes minus. So 78 minus 76 is equal to, now if you check this here, 98 plus f divided by 2 minus 15 plus f. This 2 I have written later. Okay, in the formula it is not there, I have written it later. See, the number was 98 plus f divided by 2 minus 15 plus f. M is what? 15 plus f. Now to deduct these two number, the denominator should be same. It means here it is 2, here nothing was there. Okay, here nothing was there. If there will be 2 here, then only you can minus these two components or these two numbers. So in order to minus or plus these two values, you have to add, you have to take here 2. Okay, when you take here 2, why I have taken here 2? Because here it is 2. Okay, here nothing, the number was not there. But to minus or plus the numerator means before this line the numbers are now called as numerator. So in order to deduct these numbers, we have to add here, or we have to take here 2. When you take 2 here, you have to multiply the numerator also by 2. Now if you take 2 here, what is the numerator? That is the before that number 15 plus f. So 15 should be multiplied by 2 and f should be multiplied by 2. Then only you can add and deduct. Okay, so I have written, see, next modification, 98 plus f minus, open the bracket, 2 multiply by 15, you will get 30 plus 2 into f, 2f, the whole divided by 2. Now you can take both the numbers are divided by 2, because we have considered here 2 and multiplied the number by 2. So both the numbers are divided by 2. Okay, so both the numbers are divided by 2. Now after that, into 4 divided by 40. Now after that you can cancel this 2 and 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, so 2. Again you can cancel 2 and 40. So 2 ones are 2, 2 20s are 40. Okay, see the next substitute. 78 minus 76, you will get 2 is equal to 98 plus f. You have to remove the bracket. So minus 30 plus into minus minus 2f divided by 20. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is cancelled here too. Again 2 is cancelled into 1 and divided here 20. So 20 is remaining. Okay, after that you can cross multiply this. When you cross multiply, 20 into 2, 2 into 20 is equal to 98 plus f minus 2f. So cancel 1 f, you will get minus f. So minus f, 98 minus 30 minus f. 98 this one, minus 30 minus f. 2 into 20, 40 is equal to 98 minus 30, you will get 68 minus f. F you bring this side, it becomes plus f is equal to 68. Bring this plus this side minus. 68 minus 40, you will get 28. So the f is 28. The value of f is 28. Okay. If you have any doubts here, you can clarify it. You have to make sure that you copy the problems in the notes. Listen carefully what is being explained. If you have not understood any of this, you can personally message me. Okay, you can ask me what to, and do it by your own. Once you copy in your notes, then take a rough note and do it by your own. You will understand what is being explained. If you any point you have not understood, you make a note of it and you can send that image to me to explain it again. Okay, I'll explain you again, but make sure that you copy it and solve it again by yourself. Then only there will be a doubt for you and you will make it sure that you clarify those doubts. Okay, so this is the end of the median concept. Median problem I have done under array, under raw data, and under the continuous and discrete data. Okay, so this will be coming for the exam for section B for 5 marks, as well as in section C also for 10 marks. Okay, so go through the problem, make sure that you copy it in your notes. Thank you.